You're looking at here the new Ford 2019 Transit. It arrived here in the Philippines. Mga pila pa ni siya ka buwan diri. It's just arrived here in Cebu for around 1 month. So this is just promoted now by the month of December. So I'm now featuring you the new Transit from Ford. So we'll have a look around externally for the outside features that you can see. And this is the Ford answer to the bans of Nissan, Toyota. So this is their own Ford Transit. So the main competition for this design is the Hyundai brand of Transit. So you can see it's almost have the same feature. So this one is a diesel engine, 2.2 diesel engine, and it is made for city tours, but you can also fold the seats to give more space for your luggage, but this is actually designed for city tours. The capacity seating of the Transit is 15 person, including the driver. So we will go inside in a minute. We're just trying to feature you what are the features outside. So this is the front. Gidan ato na ta. So we'll go inside. So as you open the door for the passenger, automatically the steps will come out.
The step board.
And yeah, so the step board will come out. If you close it as well, there the step board will just keep it closed in. Now you open it, the step board will step out. Then it will be easier for you to get in.
2 arm bar.
So this got 2 tawag ani?
Arm bars.
Arm bars for safety to go up, especially if you have some old people. And this is the interior of the Transit. You can see that there's a lot of aircon vents and sunroof. Sunroof ni siya dan?
Yes, ma'am.
They got a sunroof for the passenger on the back. So it's gonna be convenient because you can see there's a lot of aircon vents here. For the last row seat, they got 2. The next seat row is got 2, and then the middle one got 2, and even the side here, and then to the driving area can have 3 people here. So this is there's the feature for the driver, and that's the dashboard. It has no this is manual transmission, yes. By the way, there is no other variant, only manual transmission, and there is no LED, only simply radio. And I say CD dong radio ra gyud.
Radio.
It's only radio, so you can see. And this is unsa man ni ga?
Kuani siya, ma'am, kanang if the driver wants to monitor the speed or her performance kay layang dagan.
Okay.
The driver can actually print this one.
Okay.
We can turn it on because the car is off.
So what is this now? Kalang rugby,
But moro siya kanang where you can see the
speed.
Speed, yes.
Okay. Of how fast is the driver is going.
How fast, yeah. And it will be recorded. There's a paper here. It's kinda like a receipt.
Okay. Yeah, so you can see
where you can print it.
So this more a safety feature, so you know the passengers
the driver can monitor
the passengers as well, how many speed he's been running. So these are all the other controls. This is the aircon controls, and what's that? That's like fog lights. So that's the control from here on the top, and then this is the driver's dashboard there. So it's only available in manual, and the seats are made of fabric. So there's no other choice but just the fabric seats. There, you can see it. It's got 3 people can sit on the front, including the driver, and then 12 on the back. There's 2 here, and then the next 2, and then 3, 3, 4, and the last row for added additional space for your luggage that can be folded up. The 4 seats on the last row can be folded up to put your luggage in, and you can go through the back because the back doors.
Ang 2 middles lang.
2 middles. Only the 2 middle seats can be folded for additional luggage space, and you can go through the back doors. The back doors open up, both doors, for extra space. So, and then you got the other safety feature, like for in case of emergency, they have 2 hammers on the side here. You can see this red thing. That's for breaking the windows for easy exit. Yeah, easy exit. Or you can also slide that window there. No, you can also slide that window.
And that puro na seatbelt ang kada seat.
So you can see all the seat have a seat belt for safety, and that's it's made of fabric covers. Seat covers are made of fabric. And then there's another safety feature is that they got a sliding window there. In case that the aircon break down, I suppose they can open that one, no? And so that's the new Ford Transit. It just arrived in the month of December here in Cebu, so we haven't heard about this on car shows or anything. No, wala gyud siya mga carpeting dong.
Okay, kuan man ma'am. For display pa man siya.
So, it's not been carpeted yet, but soon be accessorized by Ford. So, you can see here, as on the driver's side, these are the other features. This one here can be folded down, no, for additional kuandan, like your cup holders, if nobody is sitting between you and the driver. The front passenger seat, front seat passenger can use this as a cup holder. And you got also other on the dashboard, there's a lot of compartment you can put some stuff like paperworks.
Yeah.
And look at the leg room that they have here. It is very spacious. And then you got the leg room for each passenger on the back. It is quite the space in between the seats is quite wide than your normal van. Mas kuan siya dong. And then you can see how it is designed.
High ceiling.
Yeah, like a very high ceiling. I've seen this in the. I was thinking about the futon, like futon nga.
The beep.
Yeah.
Perfect example is beep.
Oh, okay. Sa futon nga brano. Yeah. Because the passenger, if you're shorter like me, you can stand up. Actually, I was standing up here in the middle without touching the ceiling. So, it's quite convenient for short passenger and not so convenient for the tall passenger, but it is better than the usual vans that it got a short ceiling. It is designed to have high ceiling for comfort, and then you can have the sunroof. And overall, this is a 2.2 liter engine transit. So, your transportation in an engine diesel 2.2 from Ford, and it's called the pwede alihon tong boot, and it's called the Ford Transit. Oh, pwede tanaw na to ga. So this is the front view of the Transit. So because I remember the futon design of this one. There, that's how it looks like in the front. The engine is not so long. Kana siguro.
Mabli niya itong hood, ma'am. Na awit.
Okay. So you can only open the hood if you got the key, but we don't have the key here right now. We cannot open the hood, but I think that will be enough for now. We will soon be seeing more of the Ford Transit during the car shows. I think they will be featuring this. They'll be promoting this more. And look at the lights, no, na extra. That's the lights on the side mirrors. So overall, this is now the new Ford 2019 Transit that just arrived here in Cebu City this month. So the price for this one is 2.350. So 2,350,000 diesel transit, 15-person capacity transportation from Ford. Yan.